DJ ATV. DJ ATV.
Fresh pepper.
Yeah, I'm asking my wife. I'm all of it, how much?
My daddy.
What boy Yoruba?
Yoruba ni mí.
I can't remember.
Ṣé ẹ fún mi ní 2,000?
2,000. Ah, what you?
Ó yẹ mú 1,500 wá kí nǹkan gbé fún yín ata tí wọ́n.
1,500.
Ó ti wọ́n bá ata tí wọ́n ẹ wò ní 15 naira. Nǹkan tí ẹ mi ò mọ láti ẹ wò. Ṣé tí wọ́n ní 15 naira?
Mélòó?
Ṣé tí 15 naira lélẹ̀?
Ah, okay o.
Nǹkan máa kọ pé fún yín mi mo lọ́jà gan lé nígbà tí mo lọ sùn. Tẹ́ bá mọ̀ ṣe lé. Tó bá fi díẹ̀ sí eléyìí ló máa jẹ́ 100 naira. Nǹkan máa kàn fún yín ni. Tí máa basket gan fún yín bẹ̀ ẹ́ rí pé kíní.
Okay. Mama, I just come support your business.
Ṣé sà?
Ẹ má sọkún. Ẹ má sọkún, mommy.
God bless you, sir.
God bless you, man.
God bless you.
Tell her she not cry. I don't come before. Let me buy orange for your hand.
Yeah.
I tell you, say I will come back.
Yes.
Not cry.
Yes, sir. God bless you.
I go come back, eh? You don't get shop.
No.
I will find shop for you. Go rent shop me this. Not cry. Stand up, mama. Stand up. No, I'll find stuff for you, eh? Not cry. Later, I'll come. All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right. I come before you, not day. They say you go market. So I don't see one store for you. No, stand up. See one store for you. It's done at 7,000. 7,000 a month. So a year na 84,000. It costs. But I say you go market. What do you buy when you go market?
I buy pepper and tomato and
An
orange.
orange. Okay. So, not shout to.
One mama. 200 naira. Thank you, sir.
150,000. Use 50,000 to support your business. Then when the store ready, I will come. I will come. I'll let you know. So this money use and well. Where you stay? You get where you stay?
I stay here. I stay for inside the school.
You stay for inside class?
Yes.
Inside school class?
Where do you want mama?
So for Yoruba.
Most of class
Okay. I will try. I will get house for you. Masoko.
Mẹ́rin 15 naira ni ma. Mẹ́rin 100 naira.
So I will get house for you.
Ẹ má bínú ma, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ má bínú.
So we'll get the house for you. Then you go.
God bless you, sir. Ọlọ́run máa ràn yín lọ́wọ́ lágbára ẹni àwọn ọmọ inú ara láàánú gbogbo tẹ́ bá ń dáwọ́lé ọmọ àjọṣe lórúkọ Jésù. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣàánú mi, Ọlọ́run á ṣàánú lágbára Ọlọ́run.
Ẹ má sọkún.
Ẹ ṣé. Ọlọ́run ló lè san yín lẹ́san, kò ṣe mí. Ọlọ́run máa san yín lẹ́san lórúkọ Jésù. God bless you. Ẹ ṣé, sir.
Stand up. I'll come again. Like I said, I will rent the house for you. Okay. All right.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n fún yín lọ́sàn, sir.
Also, I'm not worried. Don't worry. Don't worry. Shake on. Good afternoon. I bring for here because this is my brother here. They clean this place. And put this key first. From today go, we don't sleep for classroom again. This house now your house.
Thank you, sir. God bless you, sir.
No,
Thank you, sir.
everything here, I buy am for your name. And you get everything with
Me?
you. So,
Thank you, sir.
stand up.
God bless you, sir.
You know, for today go, you don't sleep for ground. Ground up your portion.
Amen.
Everything here, everything. Don't pay for it. From the TV, the deck, the fan, light,
Ah,
everything on your own.
ìwọ ló tó bẹ́ẹ̀. Ìwọ ló tó. Ìwọ ló tó láti gba ògo. Ìwọ ló tó, bàbá. Ẹ̀yin lẹ tó bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin lẹ tó. Ẹ̀yin lẹ tó láti gba ògo. Ìwọ ló tó, bàbá. Ẹ̀rọ Ọlọ́run bà mí. Ẹ̀rọ Ọlọ́run bà mí o. Ohun tó bá ti pinnu lọ́kàn rẹ̀ o, kò sẹ́ná tó lè dá dúró. Olúwa ṣe ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ṣe. Ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ṣe o, bàbá. Ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ẹ ṣe. Ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ṣe o, bàbá.
Stand up, stand up, show your room.
Ẹ sà.
Oh, just follow me. I'll show you. You get your own bathroom now. You get your own kitchen. You go to cook. Move. Enter this place.
Ah! My father.
This are the bed. So, oh, stand up, stand up, stand up. These are your bed. You need to sleep now. Don't pay the rent for this one. Where you stay.
God bless you, sir.
I will try. I will buy fridge. Maybe by next week, buy fridge, buy generator. Pay for NEPA bill for you for 2 years.
Ọlọ́run nìkan ló máa ràn yín lọ́wọ́. Ẹ ṣé.
Everything on your name here. Everything on your name. Everything on your name. The generator, the fridge. By God's grace, to call next week. Then.
Me.
Just pack your load. Today is the last day that you sleep on the floor. God has uplifted you. Voila. Alright, stand up. See your kitchen. You get buy everything. You get that to yourself here. Everything to yourself. No, voila.
Then after the toilet school, the first road by the right, just
DJ LTV. DJ LTV.